What happens when an expert witness in the witness box treats the case as if it's a bit of a joke? Welcome to Expert Witness Red Flags. My name is Mark Tottenham, and I'm the author of The Reliable Expert Witness, which is a handbook for expert and professional witnesses who are asked to write, report, or give evidence in court proceedings. Now, to those outside the legal profession, a court case can sometimes seem like a bit of a game. A lot of the participants wear unusual clothes. They use arcane language that's outside the common language used in everyday life. And also, there are sometimes squabbles over technical issues that seem completely detached from the subject matter of the case. However, behind all of this, in almost every case, there is at least one party for whom the case is likely to have very serious consequences, sometimes of a life-changing nature. Now, in the Canadian case in 2022 called Graul and Kansal, the action arose from a road traffic accident in which the plaintiff suffered very serious head injuries. Now, the defendant claimed that he was exaggerating his symptoms. One of the defendant's experts was a neurologist. Now, during cross-examination, it was put to her that some of the evidence she gave in court was directly in contradiction with something she had said in a television program. Her reaction was to laugh. Not surprisingly, the court was unimpressed. What the judge said was, "I do not expect an expert to laugh when caught in a serious contradiction in her evidence. That demonstrates a lack of awareness of the seriousness of the expert witness's role." The consequences were quite significant in that case. The judge ultimately took the view that that expert's evidence more supported the plaintiff's case than the defendant's, and he made a very significant award of damages in the plaintiff's favour. But if you are an expert witness giving evidence in court proceedings where the stakes are high, it's very important to ensure that you take the matter with the appropriate seriousness. Do not treat it as if it's a bit of a game or a bit of a joke. Otherwise, your professional approach is likely to be questioned by the court and your evidence is likely to be given significantly less weight. If you need more guidance as to the work of an expert witness, you can see my book, The Reliable Expert Witness, or look at my website, marktottenham.com.